My name is Didiana Vanessa Giraldo Osorio, and this is my infographic. I am an environment engineer student of the 5th semester. I am from Manizales, but I am currently living in Bogota with my husband. First of all, on my August holiday, my husband and me went to a cruise on the island Aruba, Curacao, and Bonaire, the Panama City, and Cartagena City too. We had a blast. We ate much and very delicious. We were celebration or honeymoon. We were 7 days there, and my husband had sunburn the first day, so I recommend using sun cream and sunglasses all day. After that, we saw that the climate of the Caribbean island is mostly very hot. There are sunny days, although for guys say that the first 3 months of the year are windy and cool. So the next few months are rainy and moody rain in the fields. We also saw the people wear flats and sandals for both men and women. That's why you should wear sandals. After that, we thought that the San Andres Island of Colombia is more beautiful than the island we visited. And in my infographic, this is my infographic, is an academic exercise of Phase 3 of the English class from NAD. This is content. This is my holidays. This is model of advice showed how to have better. This is recommendation of different claims. This is recommendation for the climates in my city, Bogota, Colombia, and the climate of Caribbean Island. This is recommendation for plane trips. And this is our honeymoon. The Cartagena of Colombia, Caribbean Island, Curacao. It's time to enjoy your vacation. Thank you.